Exercise 64. Dictation speed is 80 words per minute. Get ready. Start. Sir, the general budget is a reflection of government's drive and direction on economic front. Full stop. I think this budget should have had a positive direction. Full stop. This budget lacks positive direction and initiative towards arriving at the realistic goal. Full stop. Of course, there are many kinds of promises. For example, the Garibi Hatao slogan. Full stop. The present budget is replete with various types of concessions and thereby attempting to prove that the budget is by far the softest stone ever presented in the House. Full stop. But the pre-budget hike in different essential commodities has already hit the people. Full stop. Today, railway journey has become costlier. Full stop. Similarly, telecommunication rates and petrol prices have also been increased. Full stop. Even life-saving drugs are beyond the reach of the common people. Full stop. Sir, I would like to say that the annual budget can never deliver goods if the planning process is not down to earth. Full stop. Indian planning over the years has been marked by urban bias and consequently 90% of the Indian population cannot be benefited by this sort of planning. Full stop. So far as irrigation is concerned, Assam state stands at the nadir. Full stop. During plan period, a large number of states have brought over 50% of their cultivated area under irrigation, but in Assam, hardly 13% of the land is brought under cultivation and hardly 45% of the crops are brought under irrigation. Full stop. There is one Brahmaputra board, but finances are not yet properly given to it and there is no provision for storage of irrigation projects. Full stop. Moreover, power and irrigation facilities are the major input for development. Full stop. Assam has immense resources, immense potential, but these are not properly exploited due to lack of vision of the planners, and that is why the northeastern states including Assam remain still backward. Full stop. Sir, the state's domestic product increased only by 3% while per capita state domestic product was minus 3%. Full stop. This is because of the tremendous population growth due to migration to Assam. Full stop. Assam continues to be much behind the rest of the country in terms of not only per capita income but also electricity consumption, irrigation potential created rural drinking water supply, roads and railways, and credit deposit ratio, etc. And, sir, what is more deplorable is the fact that Assam is the lowest amongst the northeastern states in per capita plan outlay throughout the country. Full stop.